What's good, YouTube family? Welcome back to another video, guys. We have a very exciting video today. As you can probably tell by the title of the video, we're gonna be installing some new fenders on the BRZ. I know I recently got these, but these were just temporary. Like I said, we were gonna be upgrading these anyway, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. We're riding out with John and Z. Z actually just got here. I just saw him pull up, and it should be a fun day, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Let's go meet up with Z real quick. Wow, you went to Dunkin'.
Yeah, that's why I was late.
Wow.
I also woke up like an hour ago. So.
You need coffee?
I'd go for coffee.
All right, let's go. Alright guys, so we made it to Steven's shop and he started sanding the fenders down. I'll show you guys.
Yo, Bobby, who you selling?
As you can see, Steven started sanding down.
Bobby made it kind of late because he's slow as shit.
Oh my god.
Need boost, bro, need boost.
He's slow as shit.
Yo, can you guys let me like do my thing?
We went to Applebee's.
Yo, I honestly I should have left you niggas home for real. We started sanding down the fenders already. Apparently, it's not the greatest quality. We're gonna talk about it a little bit further on. I ordered these fenders from FLY1 Motorsports. Yeah, like I never heard any reviews or anything about them, so this is the first time we see their products. I've actually never seen these fenders on any car before, but we're gonna try to work with it.
What? Every time. Yeah, every time I'll go for like and then
Pretty cool part. Yeah. Frame only needs like so long.
Wait, no. This is a 2-to-1 mix. So you go like, so you see the numbers up top, so that's 2.
Oh, I see.
So you go to your 2-to-1.
Otherwise, how would you have measured it out?
The computer. You can select it in the computer itself. Honda, they have less than all, and they have Sickens, which is what we use. That's the top of the line, right? That's what that was probably.
just to make sure it doesn't get shy or anything. And then if it doesn't, I'll put the little wet first one down. It's a lot easier to clean that one than first load down, no issue so far, so we're going to let it sit, flash off for about 10 minutes, and then we'll put the second coat on and it's good to go.
shot.
You know what? It's stamps
On the other side.
Is it actually metal under there?
Alright guys, so after putting the first fender on, we realized that the fitment is pretty good. They don't come pre-drilled like we said in the beginning, but at least these, if you drill right where the holes are supposed to be, you can actually see where the holes would have been. If you drill right on those, it fits.
Bobby don't know what he's talking about, bro.
It fits pretty perfect. What?
So the reason it fits so perfectly is because they actually used part of the original Fender.
At least that's what it looks like.
Yeah, that's where the Subaru stamp
it says
is.
Subaru on it. So I'm gonna link it in the description if you guys want to check them out.
All right.
They have a couple other. Why is everybody putting in their 2 cents? If nobody knows, you guys don't even know.
These are perfect form fit fenders. They look good. Everything's perfect about them.
Carbon fiber.
They're carbon fiber and they bolt up perfectly, just like your regular Fender would be, like your OEM Fender would be.
Anyways, all right, can you move? So like he was saying, they do fit pretty good. The fitment is
good,
really
perfect.
decent. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. The only thing that kind of sucks is you do have to cut out some of your fender liner. Also, these fenders remove that garnish, so you're not gonna have that. If this is something that you're gonna consider, you're gonna lose that garnish. So to me, it's not a big deal. Me personally, I don't like that garnish there anyways. And it flows pretty good with the body of the car. I'm gonna put it on the other side right now and see how that side fits. And I'll show you guys the end result.
So these don't come with holes in the fenders, so we got to drill a hole in here. We're going to use a screw, a flat screw instead of a typical clip, so it holds a little stronger. So most of these BRZ owners know. And then on here we got to cut this so that way it tucks behind here and stays. It doesn't look as ugly. Pretty much I kind of figured out from the other side I can cut along this line and that'll pretty much tuck it behind here. That's good. And this stuff's so thin, a razor blade actually works really well. Now that that's cut out, I'll tuck that behind.
Nice.
Just to kind of see where I'm at with the rest of it, see where I gotta cut. And usually the factory one actually sits on the outside, so we have to make sure that this one goes on the inside, so kind of just gotta compensate for all that. So that fits in there nice.
You see that it's nice and tucked. Even up here, goes all the way around.
You can see where Bobby scraped.
Alright guys, that's gonna be pretty much it for the video. It wasn't that bad. Honestly, these were probably a little bit easier than the Saban ones.
Oh, a lot easier.
Yeah, a whole lot easier. Which was, I mean, this side went on so easily. The other side we had a little bit of trouble. Well, Steven had a little bit of trouble with it. But he finessed it, and the fitment is pretty decent. There was one part where, I'll show you guys, where the fender is like, doesn't like tuck in, so it kind of sticks out and there's a little bit of a gap, but you can't really notice the difference unless you're like really close to it. Overall, I think it looks really good. The clear coat turned out really good. Where's Steven? Come, bro.
What?
Not you, man. You were sleeping the whole time.
You're a milestone.
So huge shout out to Steven. I'm gonna link his shop information in the description. If you guys want to get any quotes or anything like that and you're from the area, you know, hit him up. He does great work, as you guys can see. You got anything to add? I mean,
Not really.
no?
I mean, to be honest.
They're on, you know?
Yeah.
All right, well.
Besides, FLY1 Motorsports is actually a pretty good brand.
Yeah.
They were actually pretty easy to work with, but surprisingly better than Seabon.
Yeah, which was surprising. But they turned out pretty good.
Shouts out to the shop too.
Yeah, huge shouts out to the shop.
Yeah, stop down. Pete's 9W Collision.
Like I
I'm
said,
Steve though. This is Steve though.
you want him? That's a long story. But like I said, I'm gonna link. Well, he's gonna have a website soon, but I'll link the Instagram page and his page. I'll link everybody's page in the description if you guys want to check out any of the cars and the shop. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.